Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. When you walk through a storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky and the sweet silver song of a lark. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you never walk alone. You never walk alone. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you never walk alone. You never walk alone. If I loved you time and again, I would try to say all I'd want you to know. If I loved you, words won't come in an easy way. Round in circles I'd go, longing to tell you, but afraid and shy. I let my golden chances pass me by. Soon you'll leave me, off you go in the mist of day, never, never to know how I loved you. If I loved you, if I loved you time and again, I would try to say all I'd want you to know. If I loved you, words won't come in an easy way. Round in circles I'd go, longing to tell you, but afraid and shy. I let my golden chances pass me by. Soon you'll leave me, off you go in the mist of day, never, never to know how I loved you. If I loved you. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I sing along, it made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they are back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well. still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing. So fun. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry. Just like before, it's yesterday once more. Looking back on hardwood years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. With songs of love that would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing. So fun. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry. Just like before, it's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing. So fine. Every sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing. So fine. Moonriver, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, your heart breaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We are after the same rainbow sand, waiting on the band, my huckleberry friend, moon, river, and me. Oh, dream maker, your heart breaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We are after the same